Twisted turtles are handmade candy bars. The technique of using a waffle cone maker to freshly bake sugar cone or cocoa brandy butter wafer batter, then rolling the hot wafer around a metal straw and allowing it to cool for a few minutes to harden, creates a center that can be filled with brandy butter toffee. Then the ends are dipped in tempered white chocolate to stop the filling from leaking out, and rolled in chopped caramelized pecans or praline before the chocolate hardens to a sweet praline crunch, and finish the bar snack. Stored wrapped in the refrigerator, twisted turtle wafer bars will stay fresh for several days or up to a week. To make a thick brandy butter toffee, cook 100 grams sugar with 50 grams butter until soft cracked caramel stage develops. Then add 50 grams of high-fat cream. Careful as the caramel bubbles up. Then mix well to dissolve the caramelized sugar into the sauce and add 30 grams or an ounce of orange brandy. Then strain out any lumps and allow the brandy toffee to thicken as it cools to room temperature. Stored in the refrigerator, brandy toffee will last for several days or up to a week. To make enough cocoa brandy butter wafer cookie batter to make a few dozen bittersweet wafer cookies, whisk 2 whole eggs and continue to whisk in 60 grams granulated sugar, 50 grams brown sugar, 110 grams unsalted butter melted, 10 grams cocoa, 5 grams salt, 60 grams triple sec, and 85 grams flour until well combined. Transfer to a sealed container and refrigerate until ready to use. Then preheat your waffle cone maker to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a tablespoon of batter to the grill and close the lid. Set the timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. When the batter is cooked, work quickly to roll the wafer cookie around a metal straw, pressing down on the end to help the cookie hold its shape and allow to cool. To make pecan praline or caramel pecans, cook 75 grams sugar with 25 grams of water to a hard caramel of at least 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 171 degrees Celsius. Shortly after that, the pan will start to smoke and you'll need to turn off the heat and carefully add 100 grams toasted pecans to stop the cooking. Then quickly stir to coat the nuts and spread onto a silicone or parchment lined baking sheet to cool. When completely cool and dry to the touch, finely chop the candied nuts in preparation of dipping. To assemble the twisted turtle snack bars, temper white chocolate for dipping and spread some of the praline on a plate. Then use a Bismarck-style piping tip that matches the size of the metal straw used to get the caramel sauce into the cookie. The toffee flows slowly to the bottom of the rolled wafer and can be filled from both ends if the toffee is stiff. Then dip into the white chocolate to coat the end, allowing the excess to drip off. Celebrate this twisted turtle bar snack with a glass of Irish Stout.